Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the top products on Amazon with unbeatable insights. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we dive into an exciting countdown of the best-selling crochet kits available right now. These kits are a treasure trove for both seasoned crafters and newcomers eager to explore the art of crochet. We've sifted through countless options to find the top contenders that offer quality, creativity, and value. Whether you're looking for a new hobby or aiming to enhance your crochet skills, these kits have something special in store for you. So without further ado, let's get started and find out which crochet kits have earned their place at the top of Amazon's bestseller list. Number 5 on our countdown showcases the Crochetta Crochet Kit for beginners, a true gem for anyone diving into the world of crochet. This kit is not just a collection of tools, it's a comprehensive starter pack, designed to nurture and guide you through your creative journey. Imagine this: every essential component you need, all bundled in one kit. It includes vibrant yarn, soft stuffing, a handy needle, expressive eyes, secure buckles, precision crochet hooks, and even a pair of scissors. Plus, it comes with an octopus pattern and a beginner's manual to get you started. But that's not all. This kit stands out by providing over 40% extra yarn in every color, giving you the freedom to practice and perfect your skills without the anxiety of running out. It's a thoughtful touch that ensures you have ample resources to experiment and make mistakes as you learn. What sets the Crochetta Kit apart are its step-by-step video tutorials, meticulously crafted for absolute beginners. These videos offer clear instructions and demonstrations, transforming the complex art of crochet into an accessible and enjoyable experience. You'll find yourself crafting beautiful and meaningful crocheted octopus families, a green one for the male and a pink one for the female. They're larger sized and absolutely adorable, making them perfect for display or gifting. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or Mother's Day, this kit makes a delightful gift that encourages creativity and concentration. Plus, with unlimited email and text support, you're never alone in your crafting journey. The expert guidance provided ensures you can swiftly overcome any hurdles and build your crochet skills with confidence. Embark on a fun and educational hobby that not only enhances your concentration, but also stimulates your creativity. Ideal for DIY classes or mindful meditation, the Crochetta Crochet Kit for beginners is a gateway to endless crafting possibilities. Number 4 on our countdown introduces the Aeelike Crochet Kit for beginners, a powerhouse of a kit designed to ignite your creativity and simplify your crafting journey. Let's dive into what makes this kit stand out. Picture this: 59 meticulously chosen pieces, all bundled together to give you everything you need. It includes 9 ergonomic crochet hooks, ranging from 2.0 to 6.0 mm, alongside 12 delicate lace crochet hooks, sized from 0.6 to 1.9 mm. But that's just the beginning. The kit also features 5 vibrant balls of yarn, 10 stitch markers, 6 plastic sewing needles, 4 U-shaped needles, 3 cable needles, and 3 stitch holders. Not to mention, you get 2 pom-pom makers, a needle gauge, scissors, a tape measure, a winding board, and a chic pink zip storage bag. For those just starting out, this kit is your gateway to the world of crochet. With a range of needle sizes from 0.6 to 6 mm, you'll be equipped to tackle everything from intricate lace to cozy scarves. The 5 colors of yarn offer endless possibilities to kickstart your crochet adventure. The metal crochet hooks included are both lightweight and durable, designed to glide effortlessly over your yarn. Their colored rubber handles provide an ergonomic grip, ensuring comfort even during prolonged crafting sessions. No more snagging or breaking, just smooth, enjoyable crocheting. And for those detailed lace projects, the lace hooks are perfect for creating delicate patterns. Everything is neatly organized in a zippered storage bag, featuring small pockets and mesh compartments to keep your tools safe and accessible. This practical design also makes it a breeze to transport your kit, whether you're heading to a crochet class, traveling, or just moving between rooms. The Aeelike Crochet Kit is not just a fantastic addition to your own crafting supplies, but also makes a thoughtful gift. Whether for a beginner, a child, or even a senior, this all-in-one kit caters to all ages and skill levels. It's an ideal present for anyone eager to explore the joy of crochet and indulge in a relaxing creative pastime. With the Aeelike Crochet Kit for beginners, you're not just purchasing a set of tools, you're investing in a complete experience that will enrich your crafting life. At number 3 on our countdown is the Coopay Crochet Kit for beginners, a meticulously curated set designed to elevate your crochet experience from ordinary to extraordinary. This all-in-one crochet starter kit is a dream come true for anyone diving into the art of crochet. It includes 9 ergonomically designed crochet hooks with soft grips, ensuring comfort for those long crafting sessions. Alongside these, you'll find 12 sleek silver crochet hooks, 5 balls of vibrant yarn, 10 stitch markers, 6 plastic sewing needles, 3 cable needles, 4 U-shaped needles, and a range of other essential tools: a bobbin, tape measure, 2 stitch holders, scissors, 2 pom-pom makers, and a needle gauge. All of these come beautifully organized in a charming pink crochet hook case. What truly sets the Coopay kit apart is its inclusion of yarn and an array of hook sizes, from 0.6 mm to 6 mm. Each hook is not just functional but also color-coded, making it effortless to find the right size for your project. This comprehensive set ensures that you're fully equipped to tackle a variety of crochet projects right out of the box, providing great value with its generous assortment of supplies. The ergonomic design of the hooks is a game changer. With cushioned rubber handles and lightweight metal, they offer an incredibly comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue and pressure on your fingers and wrists. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, you'll appreciate the ease and comfort these hooks bring to your crafting sessions. But it's not just about comfort, it's also about convenience. The portable crochet bag is designed to keep everything neatly organized and easily accessible. Its top handle makes it a breeze to carry, making this kit a travel essential for any crochet enthusiast. No more fumbling with loose supplies. Everything you need is securely in place, whether you're at home or on the go. The Coopay Crochet Kit is also an exceptional gift choice. Ideal for Mother's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or New Year, it's perfect for anyone in your life who loves to crochet, from grandmothers to wives and family members. With this kit, you're not just giving a set of tools, you're offering an invitation to enjoy a fulfilling and creative hobby. In summary, the Coopay Crochet Kit for beginners is more than just a starter pack. It's a gateway to endless creative possibilities, comfort, and convenience. Are you hooked on our countdown of the best-selling crochet kits on Amazon? If so, don't yarn around. Give us a like, subscribe, and press that bell icon to stay in the loop. At number 2 in our countdown is the Crochetta Crochet Kit for beginners, an all-encompassing starter pack that promises to transform your crochet experience from novice to skilled creator with ease. Imagine diving into your new crochet adventure with everything you need right at your fingertips. This kit delivers exactly that. It includes 10 skeins of yarn, generous stuffing, a versatile needle, 8 safety eyes, 5 marker buckles, 2 crochet hooks, a pair of scissors, a crochet axolotl pattern, and a beginner's basic crochet manual. All of these essentials come together to form a comprehensive package designed to kickstart your crafting journey. What truly sets this kit apart is the extra 40% of yarn provided in every color. This thoughtful addition ensures that you have plenty of material to experiment with, make corrections, and perfect your skills without the stress of running out. It's a feature that underscores our commitment to supporting beginners as they embark on their creative path. Our step-by-step video tutorials are another highlight, meticulously crafted to guide you from start to finish. These easy-to-follow videos break down each process with clear instructions and demonstrations, making it possible for even complete novices to successfully complete their first project. The custom-made yarn, designed specifically for beginners, is not only easy to work with, but also makes it simple to see your stitches clearly throughout the process. But this kit is more than just a crafting tool. It's a family bonding experience. The adorable crocheted axolotls you'll create symbolize love and unity, making them perfect for home decor or as heartfelt gifts. And speaking of gifts, this crochet kit, packaged beautifully in a gift box, is an ideal present for any occasion. Whether it's a birthday, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, or Christmas, it's a thoughtful choice for anyone eager to learn a new skill. We believe in supporting you every step of the way. That's why we offer unlimited help and support through email and text. Should you have any questions or encounter any challenges, our team is ready to provide the guidance you need. With our assistance and your enthusiasm, you'll quickly develop your crochet skills. Learning to crochet with the Crochetta Kit is not just about crafting. It's about enhancing concentration, boosting creativity, and finding a relaxing, mindful pastime. Ideal for DIY classes or personal meditation, this kit is your gateway to a new, fulfilling hobby. Ending our countdown with a splash of charm and ease is the Woobles Beginners Crochet Kit with Pierre the Penguin, a standout choice for those venturing into the world of crochet for the very first time. Pierre the Penguin isn't just a kit. It's your gateway to a new delightful hobby. Designed explicitly for complete beginners, this kit features an incredibly user-friendly approach. Inside, you'll find everything you need to bring Pierre to life. From easy-peasy yarn and pre-started crochet pieces to eyes, a yarn needle, a crochet hook, stuffing, and a convenient carrying bag. What makes this kit truly exceptional is the step-by-step video tutorial. These videos are crafted with beginners in mind, offering clear, detailed guidance for both right and left-handed users. Each stage of the process is broken down into easily digestible steps, ensuring that even if you're new to crochet, you can follow along with confidence. Plus, with unlimited support via email and text and virtual crochet office hours, you're never alone on your crafting journey. The Woobles easy-peasy yarn, made in-house and exclusive to this kit, is designed to be as beginner-friendly as possible. It's easy to work with and makes your stitches visible, which is crucial for those just starting out. This yarn ensures that your experience is smooth and enjoyable, minimizing frustration and maximizing creativity. Thousands of people have already embraced the Woobles way of learning to crochet, and now it's your turn. With Pierre the Penguin and other adorable options like Felix the Fox, you're not just purchasing a kit, you're embarking on a journey of learning and creativity. So why wait? Dive into the world of crochet with the Woobles Beginners Crochet Kit and discover just how rewarding and fun this hobby can be. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling crochet kits on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.